Iran has just unveiled a groundbreaking innovation in military technology, a laser-powered air defense system that could redefine the balance of power in the region. Meet SAGE, a revolutionary platform that combines precision, power, and strategy. Revealed during large-scale military exercises called ECTAD on January 15th, the SAGE system is more than just a technological milestone. It's a statement of intent. These exercises were held in Iran's western and northern regions, including the strategically sensitive Fordow uranium enrichment facility. And this advanced air defense system is already being hailed as a game-changer. The SAGE system, meaning light in Persian, leverages concentrated beams of highly energetic photons. Its mission? To intercept and destroy unmanned aerial vehicles and missiles with pinpoint precision. Unlike traditional defense systems, SAGE offers fixed-site defense, ensuring critical infrastructure remains protected under its robust shield. At its core, the SAGE system is a marvel of integration. Advanced radars, signal detection mechanisms, and sophisticated surveillance technologies come together to form a multi-layered defense network. From reconnaissance to interception, this system ensures that potential threats are detected and neutralized with astonishing efficiency. How does it stack up globally? Similar laser defense systems are under development by major powers like the United States, the United Kingdom, Israel, and China. But Iran's achievement is particularly remarkable. Despite international sanctions and technological restrictions, the SAGE system showcases Iran's commitment to self-reliance and its ability to innovate against all odds. Independent assessments suggest the system operates with a range of 5 to 7 kilometers. Its high-energy laser beam can target drones, guided missiles, and other aerial threats, with engagement times as short as 3 to 4 seconds per target. The fixed-site deployment allows for strategic positioning, ensuring maximum coverage of critical facilities. Like all advanced systems, SAGE has its limits. Environmental factors, such as heavy cloud cover or extreme weather, can reduce its effectiveness. However, under clear atmospheric conditions, this system delivers unmatched performance, making it an indispensable part of Iran's defensive arsenal. During the ECTAD military exercises, the SAGE system demonstrated its capabilities by successfully repelling simulated attacks. It's not just powerful, it's cost-effective. By replacing expensive missiles with concentrated energy beams, SAGE offers a more sustainable solution to modern air defense challenges. With tensions in the region at an all-time high, the unveiling of the SAGE system sends a clear message: Iran is prepared. By integrating this advanced technology into its national defense strategy, Iran is bolstering its ability to deter potential threats and safeguard its sovereignty. The SAGE system is more than a tool. It's a symbol of Iran's resilience and ambition. As military analysts continue to study its implications, one thing is clear. This revolutionary platform is a testament to Iran's unwavering commitment to technological progress and national security.